So this is the Robotics Institute. I'm supposed to be looking for Timmy. Timmy, where are you? Timmy! Timmy! Wait, there's a button.
Hi, welcome to HKUST Robotics Institute. Follow me for a quick tour of the lab.
Thanks, Timmy. I think we've made it to the right place. Yeah, we have. Come on, let's go inside. Whoa. Wow, it's like I'm really stepping into a real robotic world. Wow, well, this certainly looks complicated. What is this?
It's our robot arm. It's for automatic manipulation, and it's very smart.
Is it possible that it could put my phone together, maybe?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, what a clever little robot. Ethan, come. You didn't tell me that UST had a playground in here.
Oh, this is not a playground. This is a professional flying testing field, not for fun. Come on, let me show you something.
Well, that sounds exciting. All right, Ethan, what was it you were going to show me?
It is a special drone, and all its mechanics structure and the algorithms are all designed and developed by HKUST researchers.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it involves a complex system architecture named the Fast Planner. We installed a stereo camera and a DJI N3 flight controller on this drone for the onboard sensing.
So I noticed that this drone was actually flying with no one controlling it, but somehow it avoided bumping into all of these obstacles. How was that possible?
Yes, first we set the target position for the drone through this user interface. And second, the drone will find a path in this unknown environment and finally fly to the target. During this whole flight, the drone will make its own decision.
That's really cool. Well, I think automated transport will surely become prominent in the future. And I can definitely see this taking it up to the skies.
Definitely. Unmanned vehicles are commonly used nowadays. And in the future, we hope that unmanned vehicles could safely be applied to the public transportations carrying people and goods.
That's fantastic. Well, I will surely be a happy customer.